15 years old, wearing jersey number 3, Gregorio. Next player is 14 years old, wearing jersey number 44, Ronaldo. Next player is 16 years old, wearing jersey number 28, Bandao. Next player is 14 years old, wearing jersey number 24, Kayaga. 14 lang yun. And next player is a 15-year-old, wearing jersey number 30, Bautista. Next player is a 15 years old, wearing jersey number 11, Palma. Next is a 13-year-old, wearing jersey number 14, Cruz. Next is 13-year-old, wearing jersey number 0, Giriba. 13 years old, ang tatag na. Next player is 15 years old, wearing jersey number 12, Poliente. Next is 16 years old, wearing jersey number 8, Capacon. Last but not the least is a 13-year-old, wearing jersey number 9, Evangelista. That's the player of Santa Cruz Mixed Rivers. And to welcome the players from Batang RGB who made it to the semifinals. Let's have 14 years old, jersey number 29, Gian Aguilera from America. 16 years old, jersey number 12, Karina Esposas from San Pablo City, Integrated High School. 15 years old, jersey number 3, Axela Sigurado, Cristobal S. Concepcion Memorial Integrated High School. 15 years old, jersey number 15 years old, jersey number 45, Juan Antonio Albarico from San Pablo Colleges. Next, we have 15 years old, jersey number 5, Ron Amarentos from Alberta. Next, we have 16 years old, jersey number 25, Miguel Tayo from Cagayan National High School. Next, we have jersey number 16, 15 years old, Derek Austria from Bansol Integrated School. Next, we have 15 years old, Anton Olipol from San Jose Integrated High School. Next, we have 15 years old, jersey number 11, Nico Ramos from Enverga. Next, we have jersey number 15, jersey number 18, 15 years old, Billy Cabrera from Enverga. Next, we have 15 years old, jersey number 1, DK Gutierrez from Liceo de San Pablo. Next, we have 16 years old, jersey number 6, Nicola Caseria from Buenaventura Integrated High School. Next, we have jersey number 17, 13 years old, Kenji Amante. Next, we have jersey number 6, 12 years old, Ian Carlo Patel. Next, we have jersey number 24, 16 years old, Russell Srigal from San Pablo City Integrated High School. Next, we have jersey number 4, Polvado. And last but not least, we have jersey number 16, Apocal. And thus the players from Batang RGB. Everyone, magkabayan na po.
And here we go, welcome sa ating semifinals ng ating San Pablo Basketball League. Batang R2B versus Santa Cruz Mixed Dribblers. And this is the first quarter of the game. By the way, I'm your coach, Christian, your finalist for today on the semifinals. At later on, magsisimula na ang ating first game ng ating semifinals. Albarico ang makakatapik ng jump ball, mapupunta kay number 11. Pass to number 29. Here's Albarico, full up for two, no basket. Rebound by Cayaba. Pass to Palay. To Bautista for two. Basket count. Ang unang puntos mapupunta dito sa Santa Cruz Mixed Dribblers. And this is the first quarter of our game. For his three-point play, Santa Cruz. No basket. Bautista. Uulitin ang three-point play, free throw. Bautista again, basket. Sigurado. Pass to Albarico. Albarico mai-stealan dito ni Cayaba. Cayaba dribbling the ball, nagmamadali. Pass to Palay. For two, no basket. Rebound by Bautista. Wala pa din. Sigurado makakasecure ng bola. To Ramos. Dribbling the ball. Pass to Austria. Number 11, full up for three. No basket. Austria. Masyadong malalim. Out of bounds. Matatapik ni Cayaba. Palabas ang bola. For the inbound, Albarico magre-receive. Masusundutan dito ni Cayaba. Cayaba nagmamadali. Cayaba for two. Basket. 2 points by Cayaba. Here's number 29. Pass to Austria pero hindi makukuha. Palay. To Bautista. To Cayaba. Back to Bautista. For two. Basket count again. Katayong papalitan dito si Austria. Three-point play again. And there's number 29. Pass to Ramos. Mai-steal na naman. Out of bounds. Ball possession to Santa Cruz. Here's Palay. Pass to Cayaba. Out of bounds. Number 29 dribbling the ball. Long pass to Ramos. Pass to number 29. To Katayong. Pero matatawagan dito ng traveling violation si Aguilera. Bautista, pass to Cayaba. Back to Bautista. Palay, may hawak ng bola. Palay, ibibigay kay Cayaba. Cayaba crossover. Maiiwanan doon Cayaba, no basket. Matatapik palabas di katayong ang bola. Out of bounds. Ball possession to Santa Cruz. And we have 7 minutes and 30 seconds on our first quarter. 8-0 ang ating score. At wala pang puntos dito ang kupunan ng Batang Artubi. Bautista. Sidestep for the easy 2 points. Ramos. Pass to Aguilera. Matatapik ni Bandao palabas. Ball possession. Dito pa rin sa Batang Artubi at timeout para sa kupunan ng Batang Artubi. At magbabalik ang San Pablo City Basketball League.
Libre tira 3, foul, basket bang. All eyes on you pag nasa court, kaya give your best. Teamwork at coordination, gumawa ng set. Tiwala lang sa team, wala dapat mainis. Focus lang sa goal para sure win, effortless. Pag di mo na kaya, pasab ka lang sa kakampi. Hindi mo kailangan pilitin yung sarili. Upo ka muna, huminga, pahinga lang sandali. Pag kaya mo na magsabi ka lang, gera na uli.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, di nako, tumitres, tumilay up nang hindi ka post. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa
And we are back to our ball game. Ball possession to Batang Artubi. Aguilera for the inbound. Pass to Gutierrez. Backcourt violation. Ang ating score, 10-0. Nananatiling wala pa ding score ang Batang Artubi. Here's Cayaba for the layup. No basket. At ang bola mapupunta dito sa Batang Artubi. Gutierrez for the inbound. To Aguilera. Pass to Katayong. Ibibigay kay Aguilera ang bola. Aguilera for 2. No basket. Follow-up shot by Albarico, pero matatawagan dito ng pushing foul. Number 45, Albarico. Bautista for the inbound. Pass to Cayaba. Cayaba dribbling the ball. To Ijan. To Bautista. To Palay for 3. No basket. Makukuha dito ni Bautista ang bola. Bautista. Dribbling the ball. Albarico. Steal the ball. Nagaanap ng mapapasahan. Pass to Katayong. Katayong sidestep. Block by Ijan. Same ball possession. Albarico may hawak ng bola. Albarico for 3. No basket. Albarico ulit. Atake. 2 points by Albarico. At ang unang puntos ng Batang Artubi. Gutierrez matatawagan dito ng foul. Warning for penalty na dito ang Batang Artubi. And there's Bautista for the inbound. Pass to Gregorio. Gregorio dito tinatrap. Gregorio maaagawan dito ni Gutierrez. Pass to Ramos. No basket. But fouled by number 3, Gregorio. At Ramos on the free throw line para sa kanyang 2 shots. Ramos, first throw. No basket. Second free throw. No basket again. Katayong for 2. Basket. Bautista, pass break to Habacon. Out of bounds. Same ball possession. We have 5 minutes and 20 seconds on this first quarter. Same ball possession. Bautista for the inbound. Pass to Gregorio. Gregorio stepping on the line. Mapupunta ang bola dito sa kupunan ng Batang R2B. And there's Bautista. And there's Gutierrez for the inbound. Pass to Arguelles. To Ramos. Ramos to Albarico. Matatapik ni Habacon. Habacon dribbling the ball. Habacon for 2. No basket. Habacon out of bounds. Ball possession to Batang R2B. Ang ating score dito 10-4 in favor of Santa Cruz. Gutierrez for 2. No basket. Rebound by Bautista. Bautista dribbling the ball. Pass to Gregorio. To Bandao. Atake. Mabibitawan pero makukuha dito ni Delgado ang bola. Bandao for 2. No basket. Albarico. Secure the ball. Mabibitawan. Delgado. To Bautista. Fake. Still by Ramos. Ramos for 2. Basket. 2 points by Ramos. Delgado. Pass to Bautista. Pass to Habacon. Libre doon sa gilid. Easy basket. Long pass. Arguelles to Ramos. Pass to Katayong. No good. Ilalabas dito ni Ramos ang bola. Ramos for 2. No basket. Bautista secure the ball. Pass to Bandao. To Gregorio. Gregorio. To Bandao for 2. Basket. 2 points by number 28, Bandao. We have 3 minutes and 15 seconds. Albarico. Atake. No basket. But fall by number 8, Habacon. Australia. Papalitan niya dito si Katayong, number 25. First throw by Albarico. No basket. Second free throw. Basket. Ating score 14-7 in favor of Santa Cruz mixed dribblers. Delgado, pass to Gregorio. Ibabalik kay Delgado. Matatapik dito ni Estrella, palabas ang bola. Out of bounds. Same ball possession to Santa Cruz. Delgado for the inbound. 17 seconds on the shot clock. Pass to Bandao. Pass to Habacon. Habacon, black by Albarico. Albarico fouled by number 8, Habacon. At Habacon papalitan dito ni number 89, Ijan. Gutierrez to Arguelles, pass to Ramos. At number 28, Bandao, matatawagan doon ng foul. Gutierrez for the inbound. Pass to Ramos. Dribbling the ball. Ramos, atake for 2. No basket. Ijan secured the rebound. Pass to Floralde. Floralde dribbling the ball. Pass to Gregorio. Full for 3. No basket. Follow-up shot by number 17, Delgado. Still by Cayaba. There's Cayaba to Pluralde. No basket. Pero Cayaba pa rin makakakuha. Delgado full up for 3. No basket. Albarico secured the rebound. At number 45, Albarico, matatawagan doon ng foul. Cayaba for 2. Traveling violation. Gutierrez, ipapasa dito kay Cabrera pero ma-steal ni Cayaba ang bola. Cayaba for the easy 2 points. Cabrera to Katayong. Katayong, sidestep for the layup. No basket. Katayong secure the ball. Pass to number 12. To Gutierrez. To Arguelles. Floralde makakakuha. Floralde, block by Gutierrez. Cayaba. Mabablock ni Katayong ang pasa dito sa loob. Same ball possession. Ang ating score 18-7 in favor of Santa Cruz mixed dribblers. Delgado for the inbound. Ipapasa sana dito kay Cayaba pero mai-steal ni Katayong. Long pass to number 12. No good. Follow-up shot by Aguilera. No basket again. Here's Gutierrez. Mai-steal ni Gregorio. Gregorio dribbling the ball. Pass to Cayaba. To Gregorio. Gregorio traveling violation. Here's Gutierrez. Pass to Austria. Back to Gutierrez. To Aguilera. To Katayong. To Austria for 2. Basket. 2 points by Austria. Delgado for the inbound. Pass to Pluralde. Ibibigay kay Cayaba ang bola. Cayaba. To Ijan for 2. Basket. 2 points by Ijan. We have 32 seconds on the shot. On time remaining. Still by number 89. Pass to Pluralde. Full up for 3. 3 points by Pluralde. Last 15 seconds. Here's number 12 for the layup. No good. Follow-up shot by Austria. Bawi ang puntos lang. Here's Ramos. Delgado to Pluralde for 3. No basket. And this is our score in the first quarter. 23-11 in favor of Santa Cruz mixed dribblers. And this is the end of our first quarter of the game.
Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo.
And we are back to our second quarter of the game. Bautista for the inbound. Pass to Pluralde. To Bautista. To Gregorio for 3. No basket. Rebound by Albarico. Albarico to Ramos. Dribbling the ball. Pass to number 3 for 3, no basket. Rebound by Palay. Palay nagmamadali. Palay, pass to Gregorio for 2, no basket. Australia secured the rebound pero masusundot ni Floralde ang bola. Floralde for 2. No basket. 2 points para kay Floralde. Here's Ramos. Dinidikdik dito sa ilalim at makakakuha ng foul dito kay number 44, Floralde. Asigurado. And Palay, ball fight. Pero ang possession ng bola dito pa rin sa Batang R2B. Albarico for 3. No basket. Australia saved the ball. Pero Ijan makakakuha. Number 30, Bautista, matatawagan ng pushing foul. Ang ating score, 25-11. Ramos. Aguilera, back to Ramos. For 3, no basket. Here's Aguilera, no basket but fouled by number 89, Ijan. Here's Aguilera on the free throw line. First free throw. No basket. Second free throw, basket. Bautista to Palay. Palay dribbling the ball. Nagmamadali. Pass to Ijan. Easy basket by number 89. Albarico to Australia. Traveling violation by Aguilera. Aguilera pala yun. Nasa baba. Same ball. Santa Cruz ball possession. Bautista to Floralde to Palay to Bandao for 2. No basket. Albarico makakakuha ng bola. Ibibigay dito kay Ramos. Ramos dribbling the ball. Pass to Escoces. To Ramos. Ramos for 2. No basket. Ijan secured the ball. Pass to Palay. Palay. No good. Ramos secured the rebound. Ramos to Gutierrez, no good. Gutierrez pa din. Isi-save ang bola pero Bautista makakakuha. Ibibigay dito kay Bandao. Bandao to Floralde, no basket. Matatapik dito ni Ramos ang bola palabas. Santa Cruz ball possession. Here's Cayaba for 2. Basket. Easy shot by Cayaba. Here's Gutierrez. Gutierrez to Austria. 2 points by Austria. Ang ating score, 29-14 in favor of Santa Cruz. Here's Cayaba, full up for 3. No basket. At time out para sa kupunan ng Santa Cruz Mixed Dribblers at magbabalik ang San Pablo City Basketball League. And we are back to our ball game. We have 6 minutes and 56 seconds on this second quarter. Sino ang papasok sa ating finals? Escoces. Pass to Gutierrez. To Ramos. Escoces pull up for three. No basket. Out of bounds. Ball possession to Santa Cruz. Ijan ang makakakuha ng bola. Ijan for two. Blocked by Albarico. Here's Escoces. Dribbling the ball. Pass to Austria. Austria to Ramos. To Austria. Stealed by Cayaba. Cayaba. Sidestep. Basket count and fouled by number 1, Gutierrez. And there's the replay. Cayaba on the free throw line para sa kanyang 3-point play. No basket. Gutierrez makakakuha ng bola. Pass to Escoces. Steal na naman. Cayaba again. No basket but fouled by number 12, Escoces. Cayaba on the free throw line. First throw, no basket. 16-point lead para sa Santa Cruz. Mixed dribblers. Second throw, basket. And there's Ramos dribbling the ball. Ramos for two, basket. Nice move by Ramos. Pass break by Austria. Makukuha ni Palay. To Cayaba. Back to Palay for three. No good. Rebound by Albarico. Albarico for two. Basket by Albarico. 32-18 ang ating score. And we have 5 minutes and 5 seconds. Here's Cayaba for the layup. No good. Pass to Austria. And there's Aguilera. Aguilera, atake. Aguilera. 2 points by Aguilera. Palay to Bautista. Back to Palay. Back to Bautista. Bautista for two. 2 points by Bautista. Ramos to Austria, and there's Austria. No basket. Follow-up shot by Albarico. No good. But fouled by number 30, Bautista. Santa Cruz, warning for penalty na dito. Albarico on the free throw line. First free throw. No basket. Second free throw. Basket. Bautista to Cayaba, back to Bautista. Dribbling the ball. Pass to Cayaba. To Bandao. To Cayaba. Ibibigay kay Palay. Babalik kay Bandao for three. No basket. 24 shot clock violation para sa Santa Cruz. Mixed dribblers at ball possession to Batang R2B. 34-21 ang ating score. Still by Palay. And there's Bandao. For the easy 2 points. Wala, hindi papasok. Bautista. Wala pa din. Rebound by Surigao. Back to Surigao. Maaagaw na naman ni Bautista. And there's Kayaba for the easy basket. At time out para sa kupunan ng Batang R2B at magbabalik ang San Pablo City Basketball League.
Pagkapasa ng bola, biglaang naging bida. Sarap sa feeling, parang sinabihan ka na may tira. Opensang parang yung kalbo na laging nakalabas dila. Depensang parang yung mama na sa buhok merong tina. May mga hatak pa sa jersey, ganon kasi may bilang. May mga hamak dyan sa gedli. Silang mga watching lang na di mo dapat pakinggan. Huwag kang paiilang, pag nanalo mamalato ka sila, wag mong bigyan. Haha, sobrang dami ng dinayo. Yung hirap at pagkatalo ay kasama sa ensayo. Aminado, kahinaan di tinago. Niyakap ang pagbabago, nakinig sa mga payo. At dahil dyan ay lalo pang gumagaling sa hilig. Nagiging marespeto, malakas puso at isip. Handa nang lagpasan yung mga dati ko na limit. Kung trip mo din maging big, tara sa Velvet D-League.
Sumabay, dumakda, tumalon din ako. Tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka post. Mga moves na pang-hoops, ang lupet, smooth as smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet D-League, basketball, liga, 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 Velvet D-League.
And we are back to our ball game. And here comes number 3 for the inbound. To Ramos. Ramos. To Katayong. To Albarico. Basket count. And fouled by number 8, Habacon. And there's the replay. Nice pass by Katayong. And there's Albarico on the free throw line para sa kanyang 3-point play. No basket. Pero Ramos ang makakakuha ng bola. Pass to Aguilera. To Katayong. Another combination pass para sa Batang R2B. Here's Palay para sa pass break. Easy basket by number 1, Palay. 38-25 ang ating score. Long pass. Walang makakakuha. Ball possession to Santa Cruz. And there's Bautista for the inbound. Received by Delgado. Long pass to Palay. Palay dito, dino-double team. Back to Delgado. Still by Ramos. Here's Ramos. Dribbling the ball. Ramos. At Palay, matatawagan doon ng foul. Ramos on the free throw line. First free throw. No basket. Second free throw, basket. Ang ating score, 38-26. 12-point lead na lang para sa kupunan dito ng Santa Cruz. Still na naman. And there's Ramos for the save ball. Pero Floralde makakakuha. Floralde for 3. 3 points by Floralde. 41-25-26 ang ating score. Katayong to number 3 for 2. No good. But here's Albarico. Albarico for 2. Wala pa din. Albarico again. 2 points by Albarico. Kayaba may hawak ng bola. Pass to Floralde. Pass to Palay for 2. 2 points by Palay. Here's Katayong to Albarico for 2. No good, but here's Katayong for the follow-up shot. Wala pa din. Katayong mai-stealan si Bautista. Katayong. Another 2 points. We have last 1 minute on this second quarter. Bautista. To Floralde for 3. No good. Bautista. Wala pa din. Albarico. Secured the ball. Out of bounds. Ball possession. To Batang Artubi. We have 44 seconds on the second quarter. Ramos may hawak ng bola. To Asigurado. Back to Ramos. And there's Ramos for 3. No basket. Last 25 seconds. Kayaba may hawak ng bola. Kayaba. Pass to Bautista. Fake. Bautista for the layup. Easy basket by Bautista. 15-point lead para sa koponan ng Santa Cruz. Still again by Floralde. Floralde for 2. No basket. Kayaba for 2. No good. Albarico secured the rebound pero mauubos na dito ang oras. And this is the score of our second quarter of the game. 45-30 in favor of Santa Cruz Mixed Dribblers. And this is the end of our second quarter of the game.
Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga.
And that ends the first half of this game. Our official score is 45-30 in favor of Santa Cruz Mixed Dribblers. Magandang play ang ginagawa ngayon ng Santa Cruz Mixed Dribblers, lalo na nila Kayaba, Ijan, Palay, Bautista at Floralde, na nakikitahan natin ng galing sa paghawak ng bola, rebound, steal, at pag-secure ng puntos, mapa 2 points man yan or 3 points. The Santa Cruz Mixed Dribblers never fails to give their best in every game na meron sila, lalo na ngayong semifinals kung saan nagkaroon sila agad ng malaking kalamangan during our first half. They have the strong defense, strategy, and ball screening dahil na din nabuo ang connection and chemistry na meron sila or ng team inside the court. Will they secure a spot to our final game and stay undefeated? Yan ang abangan natin sa second half na larong ito, kaya tutok lang po sa ating Facebook live stream. At para naman sa report sa kabilang koponan, pakinggan natin si Diana.
Thank you, Sarah. This is a crucial game for Batang R2B dahil wala nga isa sa mga core player nila na si Amante. But despite that, nananatili pa rin ang fighting spirit of the team. Comparing their play right now compared to yesterday, nakukulangan si coach. So depensa at opensa ang ginagawa ng team. Isa na rito ang pagpapasa at paghahawak nila ng bola nagiging dahilan sa pagkakastil at pagka-point ng kalaban. Will they be able to regain the lead in this game? Second half pa lang, first half pa lang at may second half pa para mabawi at i-adjust ang gameplay ng team. Abangan natin kung makukuha pa ng Batang R2B ang spot nila sa finals game for our next game. At with that, abang lang at tutok lang dito sa ating Facebook page for more updates. And with that, back to the ball game.
Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin.
Ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Huwag kang matakot na ito dito ay ikaw pa rin.
And welcome dito sa ating third quarter of the game. Delgado may hawak ng bola. Binabantay ni Escoces. Pass to number 11. To Gregorio. To Habacon. Matatapik dito ni Katayong. Ang bola palabas. Same ball possession. Bandao. Naghahanap ng mapapasahan. Pass to Palma. To Delgado. Pull up for 3. No good. Here's Escoces. Nagmamadali. Pass to Albarico. Albarico for the reverse. Basket count by Albarico. And fouled by number 3, Gregorio. And there's Albarico on the free throw line. No basket, but there's Katayong. Pass to Albarico again. Basket. Back-to-back points by Albarico. Delgado to Gregorio. Pass to number 11, Palma. Bandao for 3. No basket. But fouled by number 1, Gutierrez. First free throw by number 28, Bandao. Basket. Second free throw, basket again. And for his last free throw, basket again, complete 3 by number 28. Ramos received the ball. Ang ating score dito, 48-34 in favor of Santa Cruz. Ramos to Albarico, full up for 3, no good. Here's Katayong, save the ball pero iba makakakuha. Pero Ramos makakastil ng bola. Ramos fouled by number 17, Delgado. Ramos to Katayong, ibibigay kay Albarico ang bola. Albarico. Atake, no good. Gregorio makakakuha. Here's Gregorio. Nagmamadali, Gregorio for 2. No good. Kanila pa din ang bola. Bandao for 2. Basket. Up to 16 points lead para sa kupunan ng Santa Cruz. Ramos. To Escoces. Ibibigay kay Albarico ang bola. Albarico atake for the reverse layup. No good. Rebound by Habacon. Pass to Gregorio. Long pass to Habacon pero hindi makukuha ang bola. Ramos dribbling the ball. Bibigay dito kay Austria. Ramos for 3. No basket. Palma secured the ball. Pass to Gregorio. To Bandao. For 2. No basket. Rebound by Habacon. For 2. 2 points by Habacon. 18-point lead para sa kupunan ng Santa Cruz. Ramos. To Escoces. Here's Escoces. Libre-libre dito sa gilid. Easy basket by Escoces. Gregorio. Pass to Bandao. Still by Escoces. Escoces. Pass to Ramos. Easy layup by number 11. We have 6 minutes and 48 seconds on this third quarter. Offensive foul by number 11, Palma. At shout out sa ating San Pablo City Referee Association of Laguna or SPCRA. Please follow and like and also support ang kanilang page na referees ng mga champion. And shout out kay Sir Ricky Enriquez, ang pinakapogi at magaling na referee dito sa San Pablo City. And we are back to the ball game. Gregorio. Easy 2 points by Gregorio. Aguilera. To Ramos, back to Aguilera. Ibibigay dito kay Escoces. Escoces. To Gutierrez for 3. 3 points. Buzzer beater by number 1, Gutierrez. Gregorio, dribbling the ball, maiistilan. Dito, Escoces again. Back-to-back points by number 12, Escoces. Gregorio again, dribbling the ball. Mabibitawan ng bola. Out of bounds, ball possession to Batang R2B. Escoces fouled by number 30, Bautista. Down to 9-point lead ang kalamangan dito ng Santa Cruz. Here's Albarico. Babangga sa dalawa. Albarico, no basket. Albarico ulit. Pero makukuha dito ni Palay ang bola. Same ball possession to Santa Cruz. We have 5 minutes and 4 seconds on this third quarter. Bandao for the inbound. Pass to Palay. Palay dribbling the ball. Ibibigay dito kay Bautista ang bola. Bautista, full up for 2. Basket. 2 points by Bautista. Estrella to Aguilera. Matatapik palabas dito ni Bandao ang bola. Same ball possession. Aguilera to Gutierrez for 3. 3 points by Gutierrez. Palay dribbling the ball. Pass to Bautista. To Cayaba, no basket. Airball. Ball possession to Batang R2B. And there's Aguilera dribbling the ball. Pass to Escoces. Escoces to Albarico. Tatama dito sa tuhod ni Albarico ang bola at mapupunta dito sa Santa Cruz. Bautista for the inbound. Pass to Palay. Palay dribbling the ball. Palay. Pinabantayan dito and there's Gutierrez. Gutierrez, matatapikan doon ni Habacon. Here's Bautista to Habacon. Basket count and fouled by number 1, Gutierrez. At time out para sa kupunan ng Santa Cruz at magbabalik ang San Pablo City Basketball League.
Smooth, pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig Basketball Liga, 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 Liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball Liga, 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 Liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball Liga, 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 Liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball Liga, 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 Liga.
Come on, bounce the ball, ikat sumabay. Bibihirang sumablay kahit sumakay. Mga maniti na ngay street ballin'. Determinado sa laro, we can never fallin'. Kapag lumea parang agila, lakas ng stamina, run malamaki na. Kala mo nakakape pagkabarako. Kapag sumalaksak, lakad ay inaararo. Minulok pa si Steve Nash, D-Wade ang speed flash. Cash out na ang mga boys, ready na ang Gcash. Ilang segundo crucial, walang kaba sa free throw. Lahat handa ng bumangga kapag sinabing let's.
And we are back to our ball game. Here's Sabacon para sa kanyang 3-point play. Basket. Ang ating score. 59-48. 11-point lead para sa kupunan ng Santa Cruz. Ramos may hawak ng bola. Pass to Aguilera. Ibibigay dito kay Escoces. Escoces to Aguilera. Last 10 seconds on the shot clock. Estrella to Albarico. Albarico na libre dito pero hindi makakatira. Sa kanila pa rin ang bola. 24 shot clock violation. At ball possession dito pa rin sa Batang Artubi. Aguilera. To Escoces. Pull up for 3. No basket. And there's Cayaba. To Bautista. No good. Rebound by Albarico. Albarico nagmamadali. Albarico. To Aguilera. No good. Bautista secured the rebound. Bautista nagmamadali. Pass to Palay. Palay to Cayaba. Cayaba. No basket. Habakon matatawagan dito ng 3 seconds violation. At timeout again para sa kupunan ng Batang Artubi. At magbabalik ang San Pablo City Basketball League.
Basketball liga 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 Velvet D-League basketball liga 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 Velvet D-League basketball liga 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 Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, di nako tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka post. Mga moves na pang-hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet D-League basketball liga 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 Velvet D-League basketball liga 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 Velvet D-League basketball liga 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 Velvet D-League basketball liga 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 liga.
And we are back to our ball game. And there's Escoces for the inbound. Pass to Ramos. Ibibigay kay Aguilera. Escoces. Fouled by number 24, Cayaba. We have 2 minutes and 38 seconds on this third quarter. At penalty na dito ang Santa Cruz mixed dribblers. Escoces on the free throw line para sa kanyang 2 shots. Escoces, first throw basket. For the second free throw, no basket. Ball possession to Santa Cruz. 10-point lead para sa kupunan ng Santa Cruz mixed dribblers. Palay dribbling the ball. Pass to Cayaba. To Habacon. Block by Albarico. Estrella makakakuha ng bola. Ibibigay dito kay Escoces. Pass to Albarico. Albarico for 2. No basket. But fouled by number 89, Ijan. Nice block by number 45, Albarico. Albarico for his 2 free throws. First throw. Basket. Down to 9-point lead. Para dito sa Santa Cruz. Second free throw. Basket again. 8-point lead na lang ang kalamangan dito ng Santa Cruz Mixed Dribblers. Bautista, pass to Floralde. Dribbling the ball, back to Bautista. To Palay. Ipapasa sana dito kay Ijan, pero Aguilera ang makakakuha. Here's Aguilera. Stepping on the line by number 11. Steal na naman by Aguilera. Here's Aguilera to Escoces for the layup. 2 points by number 12, Escoces. Down to 6-point lead para dito sa Santa Cruz. Bautista dribbling the ball. At mabibitawan pa ang bola. Here's Ramos for the layup. Back-to-back points para sa kupunan ng Batang R2B. Down to 4-point lead. Here's Floralde. Matatapikan na naman. Backcourt violation by number 30, Bautista. We have 1 minute and 13 seconds on this third quarter. At may pagkakataon na makahabol dito ang kupunan ng Batang R2B. 59-55 ang ating score. At 4 na lang ang kalamangan dito ng Santa Cruz. Ramos to Aguilera, back to Ramos. And there's Escoces for the 3 points. 1-point lead para sa kupunan ng Santa Cruz. Bautista may hawak ng bola at mukhang maiistilan na naman. Kaya ba? Dribbling the ball. Pass to Bautista. Bautista to number 1, Palay. No basket. Albarico secured the rebound. Here's Aguilera. Pass to Ramos. To Estrella. No good. Here's Estrella. To Aguilera. To Ramos for 3. No good. Pero matatawagan dito si Estrella ng pushing foul. Santa Cruz ball possession. We have 27 seconds left. Time left remaining dito sa ating third quarter. Palay, pass to Bautista. To Palay, for 2, no basket. Rebound by Albarico. Pass to Escoces. Here's Escoces for the layup. 2 points by Escoces. At dito nagtatapos ang ating third quarter. We have 59-60. At ang unang kalamangan dito ng Batang R2B. At dito nagtatapos ang ating third quarter of the game.
Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin.
And we are back on the fourth and final quarter of the game. who will be go on the finals. Sino ang mananalo dito sa ating semifinals between Batang R2B versus Santa Cruz? Albarico mabablock dito. And there's Bautista dribbling the ball. Nagmamadali. Bautista for the layup. No basket. Save by Escoces. Palay. At maiistilan dito ni Escoces. Escoces dribbling the ball. Pass to Albarico. Chill lang daw, sabi ni Albarico. Albarico. Foul by number 89, Ijan. Ramos. Pass to Aguilera. To Escoces. Back to Ramos. To Aguilera, ibibigay kay Albarico. Albarico for 2, no good. Albarico again. 24 shot clock violation by Albarico. At 1 point lead pa din dito sa kupunan ng Batang R2B. And there's Cayaba. Pass to Bautista, full of for 2, no basket. Rebound by Austria. Pass to Aguilera. Aguilera nagmamadali. Aguilera to Albarico. Fouled by number 30, Bautista. At warning for graduate na yata dito si number 30, Bautista. Albarico on the free throw line para sa kanyang 2 shots. First free throw by Albarico, basket. Second free throw, basket again, complete 2. 3-point lead para sa kupunan ng Batang R2B. And there's Bautista for the inbound. Pass to Palay, dribbling the ball. Ibibigay kay Cayaba ang bola. Matatapik. And there's Bautista for the layup. Basket. 2 points by Bautista. Aguilera to Ramos. Ramos. Spin for the layup. What a shot by number 11, Ramos. Palay may hawak ng bola. Palay, pass to Cayaba. Ibibigay dito kay Bautista. Back to Palay. Palay for 3. No good. Aguilera secure the ball. Pass to Ramos. Ramos for the layup. No good. Ball possession to Santa Cruz. And before we end this fourth and final quarter, ay i-mention lang natin ang mga special partnership with Wilson Basketball Philippines. Sponsored by Cafe Amarillo, Dutch Delight, Blue Steel, City Councilor Juan Carmela Acevedo with the Acevedo Optical, JEJ Autocare Services, Tina's Takoyaki at kay Mr. Chairman Robin Arbaha. And this Velvet D-League San Pablo League is powered by Velvet Media Incorporated by Mr. JJ Maghirang. At shout out dito sa San Pablo City Referee Association of Laguna or SPCRA. Please follow, like, and share. Also support ng kanilang page na referees ng mga champion. At mag-abalik tayo sa ating laro. 61-66 ang ating score. 5-point lead para sa kupunan ng Batang R2B. Last ball possession pa nila. Ramos may hawak ng bola. To Aguilera, back to Ramos. Ibabalik dito kay Aguilera for 3. No good. Bautista may hawak ng bola. Bautista fouled by number 12, Escoces. At timeout para sa kupunan ng Batang R2B at magbabalik ang San Pablo City Basketball League.
Labas nila, depensang parang yung mama na sa buhok ay merong tina. May mga hatak pa sa jersey, ganon kasi may bilang. May mga hamak dyan sa gedli, silang mga watching lang na di mo dapat pakinggan. Huwag kang paiilang, pag nanalo mamalato ka sila, wag mong bigyan. Haha, sobrang dami ng dinayo, yung hirap at pagkatalo ay kasama sa ensayo. Aminado, kahinaan di tinago, niyakap ang pagbabago, nakinig sa mga payo. At dahil dyan ay lalo pang gumagaling sa hilig, nagiging marespeto, malakas puso at isip. Handa nang lagpasan yung mga dati ko na limit. Kung trip mo din maging big, tara sa Velvet D-League.
Sumabay, dumakda, tumalon, din ako tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet D-League, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet D-League, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet D-League, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet D-League, basketball, liga, 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 liga.
And we are back to our ball game. We have last 7 minutes. Time remaining dito sa ating fourth and final. Bandao. Pass to Palay, to Bautista, and there's Kayaba for the easy 2 points. Kayaba. Ramos. Pass to Albarico. Albarico for 2. No good. Bautista may hawak ng bola. Bautista. Pass to Bandao. Bandao matatapikan. And there's Palay for 2. No good. Ijan for 2. Basket. Back to 1-point lead para sa kupunan ng Batang R2B. Aguilera dribbling the ball. Pass to Estrella. Still by Bautista. At Albarico matatawagan doon ng foul. Bandao pass to Palay. To Bautista, no basket. At lamang na naman dito ang Santa Cruz ng 1 puntos. Escoses dribbling the ball, pass to Ramos. Ramos to Escoses. Ramos for 3, no good, but here's Escoses for the reverse shot. 2 points by Escoses. At dito sa kupunan ng Batang R2B, si number 12 ang halos bumubuhay ng kanilang grupo. Bautista, sablay ang tira. Estrella secured the rebound. Pass to Escoses, to Aguilera. Dribbling the ball. Ibibigay kay Estrella. To Ramos. To Aguilera. To Escoses. To Albarico. Albarico for 2. No good. Bautista makakakuha ng bola. Here's Bautista. Pass to Palay. No basket. Palay again. Wala pa din. Escoses maka-secure ng bola. Sablay dito ang fast break ni Escoses. Iba ang makakakuha. But here's Bautista. Fouled by number 12, Escoses. Estrella, papalitan dito ni Katayong. We have 4 minutes and 36 seconds. Bandao. For the alley-oop play, pero matatapik ni Katayong kamay dito ni Ijan. Katayong fouled. And Ijan on the free throw line para sa kanyang 2 shots. First free throw by Ijan. Basket. Napakagandang laban dito ng ating semifinals. Halos dikit lamang ang ating score. All 68. And there's the second free throw by Ijan. Basket complete to 69-68 ang ating score. Ramos dribbling the ball. Pass to Aguilera. To Ramos. To Escoses. To Ramos. Ramos fake, pero matatawagan dito ng traveling. Palay may hawak ng bola. Palay. Pass to Kayaba. Kayaba binabantayan dito ni Aguilera. To Bautista. Bautista. To Kayaba. Ibibigay kay Ijan. Nice play para sa Santa Cruz. Another 2 points. 71-68. Here's Aguilera. Pass to Ramos. Back to Aguilera. Tukatayong pero matatapik ni Ijan ang bola, ni Kayaba ang bola. And here's the team of Batang R2B. Last 7 seconds on the shot clock para sa kupunan ng Batang R2B. At ball possession dito pa rin sa kanila. Katayong, pass to Albarico. To Escoces. To Ramos for 3. No basket. Palay secure the ball. Palay. Pass to Kayaba. Kayaba. No good. Rebound by Ramos. Katayong makakakuha. And there's Katayong to Escoces for the layup. Basket by Escoces. 70-71 ang ating score. Palay, naghanap ng mapapasahan. Pass to Kayaba. Pass to Bautista. Bautista, maiistilan ni Ramos. Ramos may hawak ng bola. Pass to Albarico. Back to Ramos. To Escoces. To Ramos. And there's Albarico for 2. Basket. Easy 2 points by Albarico. We have 2 minutes and 45 seconds on this fourth and final quarter. Palay may hawak ng bola. Pass to at Bandao, fouled by number 25 Katayong. At penalty na dito ang kupunan ng Batang R2B. First free throw by Bandao. Basket. All 72 ang ating score. Second free throw. Basket again. Ang ating score, 72-73 in favor of Santa Cruz. Aguilera for the inbound. Pass to Ramos. Dribbling the ball. Pass to Escoces. To Albarico. Back to Escoces. Back to Ramos. Pass to Aguilera. Aguilera to Ramos. To Albarico. Nice play by 2 players, Albarico and Ramos. Easy basket by Albarico. Kayaba to Bautista for 2. No basket. Rebound by Estrella. Ramos ang makakakuha. Ramos to Albarico. Albarico. Spin for 2. No basket. Rebound by Bautista. And there's Bautista. Matatapikan dito ni Ramos. Estrella naman ipapasa pero Kayaba makakakuha. Here's Bandao. To Bautista. Basket count. And fouled by number 30, Estrella. There's the replay. We have 1 minute and 37 seconds left on this fourth and final quarter. Bautista para sa kanyang 3-point play. No basket. Ang ating score 75-74 in favor of Santa Cruz. 10 puntos lamang dito ang kalamangan ng Santa Cruz. Escoces to Aguilera. Ibibigay kay Ramos. Ramos to Escoces for 3. No basket. Austria secured the ball. Austria for 2. No good. Padao secured the ball. Last 1 minute and 5 seconds. Palay may hawak ng bola. Palay to Cayaba. Ibibigay kay Bautista ang bola. Matatapik. And there's Ramos. Fouled by number 30 Bautista. At 5 fouls na dito si Bautista. Number 30 Bautista fouled out. Last 53 seconds. Time remaining para sa ating fourth and final quarter. Escoces to Aguilera. To Ramos. And there's Albarico for 2. Basket. 2 points by Albarico. Ang ating score, 75-76. 1 point lead para sa kupunan ng Batang R2B. Cayaba to Ijan for 2. Basket. 2 points by Ijan. Ang ating score, 77-76. And there's Aguilera. Pass to Escoces. To Albarico. Albarico matatapikan pero makukuha dito ni Escoces ang bola. Ramos for 3. No basket. Rebound by Aguilera. Pass to Albarico. Pero ang bola mapupunta dito sa kupunan ng Santa Cruz. At meron na lamang tayo ditong 6 na segundo para sa ating fourth and final quarter. Ano ang gagawin dito ng kupunan ng Batang R2B? Meron na lang tayo ditong 6 na segundo. At ang ball possession dito pa sa kupunan ng Santa Cruz. Makakapuntos pa ba ang R2B o madadagdagan pa ang puntos dito ng Santa Cruz? Pushing foul by number 45, Albarico. At penalty na dito ang kupunan ng Batang R2B. Ijan, first throw. Oh, basket. Second free throw. No basket at dito natatapos ang ating fourth and final quarter of the game. 77-76 in favor of Santa Cruz mixed dribblers. And this is the end of our fourth quarter of the game. At sila ang papasok sa ating finals next week.
Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga.
The knockout game between the Santa Cruz Mixed Dribblers versus the Batang R2B has ended, and with a score of 77-76 in favor of the Santa Cruz Mixed Dribblers. Congratulations po for securing a spot sa ating semifinals, and kasama ko ngayon dito ang best player of the game. We have jersey number 89, Idjan. So how are you feeling today?
Medyo medyo okay naman, kinakabahan. First time po ako, first time.
Ayan. Okay, and yun nga, medyo kinakabahan at first kasi semi-final game to, knockout game talaga to. Ano naman nararamdaman mo na nakasecure kayo ng spot for our semi-finals?
Ano po, medyo masaya naman. Sa amin sa finals.
Mamaya yung shoutout. Wait lang. Kalmahan nyo lang. Okay. And ano yung gagawin nyo pa? Di ba meron pang almost 1 week para mag-practice para sa ating final game?
Ayun po, kailangan na lang practice yung mga kulang para sa finals, handang-handa na po.
Okay, and dahil dyan, meron ka bang gustong sabihin sa ating mga manonood? And also, meron ka bang gustong i-shoutout?
Salamat po sa mga manonood. Shoutout kay Yusef, happy birthday. And sa pamilya ko po, sa Santa Cruz, sa mama ko. Tsaka sa mga tropa ko. Sa mga tayo-tayong lilig. Ligaw ko si Angela.
Anong message mo para kay Angela?
Malandi ka. Wala po, ilan. Salamat sa gano'n.
Sa suporta, okay? Ayan, again, congratulations po sa ating Santa Cruz Mixed Dribblers and to Batang R2B. Kudos pa din po for that performance, and magandang play talaga ang nangyari ngayong hapon. And meron pa po tayong aabangan na play between the LBDL and Kuya Word X Pinsanity. Tutok lang po sa ating Facebook page para sa ating updates.
Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin.